Hey, what's up guys? Chris Chavez here with Phandroid.com, taking a look at Timely Alarm Clock. This is an alarm clock application that's been getting a lot of buzz, mainly because of its very unique look. It features this really cool design, crazy minimal UI. You can see here just from the Google Play listing. Very, very minimal. I would say more like a Timescape or like a Sony UI versus say like the traditional Android minimal hollow UI. But very, very unique and cool. These are the same guys, Bitspin. These are the same guys that did Tasks. Previously they were known as Team Tasks, I believe, but they've since changed their name to Bitspin because of course they're releasing more than just a task application. And it's a pretty cool one. Very, very full featured. It has some unique things about it and some stuff that unlike other alarm clocks that you may have been using. So right off the bat, you're going to be presented by your clock screen here. And you'll just notice a very minimal UI. You got your stopwatch and timer functions over there to the right. Swipe over to the left, you have your alarms. And you'll notice the different color backgrounds and whatnot. Tapping on the screen, you'll notice little ripples. Very, very cool, very different, and just very peaceful, I feel like. Very, very nice. And there's different themes you can choose to change the colors of the backgrounds and stuff. So this is the free version of the application, Timely. You're looking at the free version, which is this, you can download it from the Google Play Store for free, which will remain free for 5 days, at which point it'll become an ad-supported application. So you'll then notice ads running somewhere along here after 5 days has passed. And the premium content that you can also download and apply for free right now will also be, you'll be required to pay for it later. So there are a lot of in-app purchases and stuff like that, and we'll cover those in a second. But first, let's just kind of go over each individual section. So right here you have your digital clock. If I click it to tick it, down here, I can choose between an analog clock, and there's other ones as well. Again, premium content, that's signified by that little corner there. Just cancel out of that because I don't really care. And then you have another little analog clock. So not too many options right now, but I'm sure the developer will be supporting it in the future and adding more clocks and stuff. I'll just keep the digital one because I think that's the easiest to look at when you're waking up. You can see your alarms there as well. Let's go over to stopwatch and timer functions. Swiping up and down will take you between those. Very cool. I'm loving the whole swipe and gesture thing. And you can just move the little jog thing here between 12 minutes. Click the middle here to play. Click it again to pause. And then stopwatch, play. If you're maybe recording a lap or you're doing some kind of running exercise, you can click this little thing down here and it'll record a lap. You can see lap 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty neat stuff. And over here is the alarm. So the alarm part is, I guess, the best part about this application. And swiping over from the left here, you'll open up a little area or just like a little slider that you can move up and down to lock in the time. And from here you can tap up and down to move it by 5-minute increments. If you're looking for something a little more precise, like maybe 10:48 or something, you can tap the little thing, the time there, and you can go into the traditional Jelly Bean UI that you're used to from your normal alarm application. I guess that's only if you're running a stock Android device, but then you can type in whatever, 7:53 a.m., go. And from here, tapping down right below the time will bring you up the normal options that you would get from your alarm. You can set the time at a specific day. Smart Rise function is a lot like those the gradually wake you up type features that you've seen in some other stuff, but Smart Rise does it a full 30 minutes before your alarm actually goes off. So it sounds a little bit extreme, but it can be pretty cool. Apparently there's some sort of theories and studies based on this stuff that it's supposed to be better. I'm gonna give it a try tomorrow morning and see how I like it, because I very much like being gradually woken up to birds chirping and all that stuff and the sun shining on my face. There's also puzzle challenges, which is nice. Of course, you only get 2. Shake It or No challenge. This is only, I don't even know how Shake It is a challenge, but Shake It's the only free one. These other ones are premium. Math puzzles, random patterns, and match it. So math puzzles, you have to do some sort of math thing, and random pattern and match it again. So these are to kind of keep you just from pushing the snooze button and falling back asleep, or just turning off your alarm and waking up, an hour later and you're late for an interview or what have you. This ensures that you really are awake and you're attentive, and now you can get out of bed. So let me just turn those off because I don't really want to worry about those right now. Vibrate, of course, and I guess the main coolest feature about Timely is the fact that you can sync it across Android devices. So if you have multiple Android devices, I have my Moto X here, I also have an HTC One and my Nexus 7 somewhere and another tablet. You can sync your alarm clocks across devices, which I think is a very, very, very neat feature. Just click the device you want there. It's a little indicator showing you how many devices are synced to that alarm specifically. Bink, bink, bink. And that's it, Moto X. Let me jump out of here. And to delete, you just long press, click the little delete button, and it's gone forever. So now, there are some themes. Let me just show you those. And all you do is change the color of the background. You only get a few to start out with, and then of course you get a bunch of the ones for premium content stuff, which you can use right now during its free trial phase. And here's your timer ones, and then there's your alarm side. And then you just click apply to apply. It's very simple, pretty easy to use. Let me jump into the shop and you guys can see all of what you can expect to pay for if you want it. So Premium unlocks everything. You can get everything there is to have about the application for $3. It's at a 25% discount during this trial phase, or I guess whatever, the introductory phase. You can also get some points. I already have up to 20. But I have 4 points right now by sharing a code with your friends on social networks and stuff and telling them about Timely, and you can unlock some of these other ones. But again, $3, unlock everything. Just to unlock or get rid of the ads that are going to appear after 5 days, it's going to be 99 cents or $1. To get synchronization across devices, maybe you only have one device and you don't really care about it, so it's not a big deal. If you do care about it, $2.49. But then again, it's only $3 to unlock all the other themes and sounds and all that stuff. So it's definitely the developer kind of nudging you towards, the more to pay a little bit higher for this stuff, and then making the prices so that it's really like, you know what, I probably should just unlock the full $3 premium version. But again, you can share your social networks to accrue some points and use those to get some of the stuff as well. Let's see, I have a balance of 4 share points. How many? Oh, these take 5 share points. So I can get ad-free if one more person signs up, which I already shared the link on Twitter. So if one more person does, I can get ad-free at least, which I will probably definitely do. That sounds like a pretty cool thing. So this is Timely. Really quick look, everything there is to know about the application. You guys can find it in the Google Play Store right now for absolutely free with Phandroid.com. I'm Chris Chavez. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.